In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build your own dynamic calendar here in Google Sheets. So here in my calendar, it is telling me the date today. The date today is highlighted in yellow, and if I change the month right here, it will tell me the different dates on that day. If you want to see a future date, I can do so. Here you have it. You can also change the year. If I say I want to see what December 25th was for last year, here it is, and there is that date. Let's say I want to see the dates for the future. I can put in the year, and it will show me that as well. So let me show you how to build your own calendar. Let's go ahead to this practice sheet right here. What we're going to do first is to resize our column and our rows. So we're going to start with our column. Let's start with column A right here. Right click on that and select resize column. We're just going to put in 50 right here. Click on OK. There we have it. Next one would be our rows. So just select row 1 and row 3. Right click, resize, and put in 30. There we have it. Next one would be rows number 2. Then 6 to 11. Right click again, resize, put in 80. There you have it. Row number 4, resize to size 40. Okay, and row 5, resize to 10. And there you have it. Now that we've resized our rows and column, let's go ahead and merge some cells for our month and year. So that's B2 until E2. Click on merge. F2 until H2. Click on merge. Now for this one, we're going to be adding a drop down for our month. So let's go ahead and make our list first for our months. Type in all caps. There you have it. Let's drag this down to autofill the rest of our data. There we go. Now let's add our drop down in this cell right here. Right click, drop down. On the right side, under criteria, we're going to select drop down from a range. Let's select this range for our months. Click on OK. There we have it. Let's go to the advanced options and select the display style to be arrow instead of a chip. So this is what it's going to look like instead of that one. There we go. Click on done. Close that. And now if we click on this arrow down, we have our options of our 12 months in our year. Next step would be to format these cells for our month and year. Let's go to our alignment, align it to the center, to the middle, put it in bold, increase the size to, let's say, size 36. Then for our month, we're going to fill it with this color right here. Now this is totally up to you. Whatever color you prefer, you can choose it. For the year, I'm going to choose a lighter one. There we have it. So if I select a month right here, this is what it's going to look like. If I input my year, that's going to be year 2024. There we have it. Our next step would be to fill in our days of the week right here, just below our month and year. So that's starting with Sunday. Again, in all caps. Drag it to the right to fill in the rest of our data. There you have it. Same format. We're going to align it to the center, the middle. Put it in bold. Resize it to size 18. Again, fill in the color. Same color as our month. Like so. And for text, we're going to put it in white. Let's put in our month in white as well. And there you have it. Now for the dates of our month right here, we're going to select from B6 to H11. Format our cells or fill our cells with this light color gray right here. Then for our text, that's going to be again centered in the middle, put in bold, increase the size to 24, and our text color will be the same as our fill color for our month and our days. So that's going to be this color right here. So now we're going to be starting with our formulas. Let's start right here in H13. Our formula would be equal sign, date value, select it right here, then select B2, ampersand, double quotations, space, 1, space, double quotation, ampersand, and F2. So that's our month and our year. If we press enter, it will give us a bunch of numbers. Now this formula takes the selected month and year and returns the date value of the first day of that month. Now in H14, we're going to be putting in the month. So that's equal sign, month right here, select that range and press enter. There you have it. Now these formulas will help us create the sequence that we're going to be putting in right here. Now our last formula would be a sequence formula that will generate a 6x7 matrix of date values that begins with the first Sunday on or before our generated date value in cell H13. So let's go ahead and create that formula. Let's start with the equal sign. Type in sequence or select it right here. Then we have 6 rows, 7 columns, H13 minus the weekday function, again referring to H13 plus 1, close it off and press enter. And here we have a bunch of numbers that are actually dates. What we're going to do to turn them into dates is to just format them. Go to Format in the menu bar, select Number, then go to Custom Date and Time. And right here at the top, if there is something in here, all you have to do is to delete it. And in the arrow down, we're going to be selecting Day. Click on Apply, and there we have it. Now our last format would be to make sure that these dates right here that are not included in our month will not be highlighted. So let's go ahead and format that in conditional formatting right here. Under Format Rules, we're going to be selecting Custom Formula Is. Let's enter our formula that would be equals month B6 less than and greater than $, H, and another $, 14. And there you have it. You'll see right away that the dates that are not included in that month are already highlighted. What we're going to do is to change the fill color into light gray again, then the text color into a darker gray. Click on Done, and there you have it. Now we're going to be adding another rule right here that will highlight our actual date. So let's go to Format Rules, select Date Is, and select Today. We're going to fill this with a brighter color. Same with our text color, turn it into black, and click on Done. And there you have it. We've created our own dynamic calendar that tells us the actual date and different dates from our chosen months and year. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.